Cleaned up and painted spindles. Everything's clean. Put the bracket on first. Of course, you can see the boneyard paint here. Those will not stay. I ordered some Ford Motorsport hubs and they're like way back ordered, but everything I read on these different forums say that they're the best that you can get. Try and avoid the China stuff if you can. I think everything comes from there in a roundabout way, or it comes from somewhere, but I'm going to hold out and see if they show up. Still shows about a month out on those. So I'll just take it back apart then and redo it. But for now, just want to get everything set up and bled and tested. In the instructions it says to make sure they clear here and here. You're not going to hit your nice power coated calipers, you know, and scuff something if there is something there. You know, sometimes they need a little bit of shimming or whatever. So far in my experience, every set of these that I've installed have fit fairly, you know, almost perfect. So I haven't run into that issue where I needed to shim yet. Adapter here. So it's two. That's kind of dumb. Again, with 85 foot-pounds. Hear the crunch, you know it's there.